The numbers of states that students have visited are shown. Which stem and leaf plot represents the data? So we always have to think about what it's like to do this on the computer screens, because doing it on paper is different. So I would go ahead and make the stem and leaf plot myself. So make that T-chart, stem, leaf. Now, the thing you got to remember about a stem and leaf is that the stem gets reused every time for the same leaves. So looking at answer choice A, we've got a 0 stem and then a 5 as leaf. Well, that would be 0, 5, which is 5. And then you use the 0 again for 0, 5. So another 5. 0, 8 means 8. Then the 1 stem, you're going to get 1 and 0. That's 10. 1 and 5 is 15. 2 and 2 is 20. 2 and 6 is 26. 3 and 4 is 34. So you always match the stem with the leaves that are next to it. So we use that to make our own stem and leaf. So the first number that I want to deal with is the stems. So looking at the answer choices, we've got a little bit of everything. So if I look at my numbers, though, I have a 1, a 3, what would be a 0 on that 5, then a 2, a 0, a 2, a 5, a 1. So it looks like I need a 0, a 1, a 2, and a 3. All right, so now I'm just going to put those numbers into my stem and leaf. So first, 15 is 1 and 5. So the stem will be 1, and I need a 5 leaf. Leaving room, because these have to be in order, leaving room if there is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the next number is 34. So stem is 3, leaf is 4. 5, again, would be 0, 5. Then 22, you got a 2 stem with a 2 leaf. 8 would be 0, 8. 26 would be 2 stem and 6 leaf. 5 would be 0, 5. And 10 would be 1 and 0. And so now I check to see which answer choice matches what I have. So first I have 0 with a 5, 5, and 8. Answer choice A has 0, 5, 5, 8. So A looks pretty good. So again, doing this off a computer screen, I would put A, B, C, D. And A looks good so far. Then I need 1, 0, 5. Answer choice A has 1, 0, 5. Still looks good. Then I've got 2, 2, 6. So 2, 2, 6. Again, A's looking good. And finally, I have a 3, 4. And A's got a 3, 4. And so A looks really good. Let's check the other answer choices. So answer choice B, again, going back to the top, should have a 0, 5, 5, 8. They don't even have a stem of 0. So B is out. C reuses. You see how it's got those stems repeating? There should only be one of each stem because we reuse the stem for all the numbers next to it. And so C is just done completely wrong. D has 0, 5, 8, but it's missing that second 5. We had 2 5s up here in our list. And so we need to have 2 5s next to the 0 stem. And so D is out. Correct answer is A.